Hello again, sections 1A, 1B, and 1C. Welcome to week 5. So before we move into the week 5 discussion forum questions, I just want to go over really quickly the results from last week's discussion forum. So as we can see in this chart, the vast majority of you chose Barack Obama as the best US president since World War II. In second place, we have Lyndon B. Johnson and Franklin D. Roosevelt, so LBJ and FDR are tied for second place. In third place, we have John F. Kennedy, and in fourth place, it looks like Bill Clinton. Many of you noted Barack Obama's support for things such as the DREAM Act, DACA, LGBTQ rights, as well as gender equality in terms of income and pay via the Lilly Ledbetter bill to support your choice for him as the best U.S. president since World War II. For this week's discussion forum, please respond to the following questions. As a quick reminder, you have several due dates coming up for Project 1. This includes a draft of the tables, that is, the data that you intend to use for Project 1, and this is due on Thursday, November 1st. Then you have the full draft, tables and analysis, due on Friday, November 9th. That's all for now. Meet you back here next week.